out something that I think is super valuable. It's called the two-step post strategy and how to unlock the power of it using FlowChat. So first things first is like, what is it, right? So what is a two-step post? What is the strategy? Well, two-step post, very simply put, is a simple way to separate hot prospects by providing something interesting that's public facing and then following up in the DMs. So what I mean is very simply the strategy. Number one, we post a juicy hook. Number two, we use a tech like FlowChat. You don't have to use FlowChat, but I would encourage you to do so, to import all the people who either liked your juicy post or commented on your juicy post or even maybe even sent you a DM about your particular post. And then once you have those people in a systematic follow-up system like FlowChat, then you can qualify them, you can run follow-up messaging sequences to them, you can book calls, you can get them to websites, you can drive them to podcasts, you can grow a YouTube channel, you can do whatever you want. But in all honesty, it's to grow your business at light speed.